How to fix TikTok stop not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login at Elite. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure TikTok app is up to date. Outdated version often cause issues. So head over to the Play Store and search for TikTok app. If you see any update button, tap on it to update it. After that, if updating doesn't fix, you have to simply open TikTok on your device. Head towards the home screen and then make sure to log in. Tap Profile at bottom right corner. Tap three line icon at top right corner of the screen and head towards Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Report or Problem. Now you need to tap on Submit a report, or if you don't get that option, simply tap Chat with us. Now in the chat box, you need to type in My TikTok feature is not showing. And what you have right, My TikTok shop feature is not showing. You need to again type in please fix this for me. And tap on the same button. After you submit it, you'll get the probable solution as it says TikTok Shop is currently unavailable in your region. You have to stay tuned for updates on availability. So now this will help you resolve the issues if you get this kind of solutions. So ensure that TikTok Shop is available in your country since it's not supported everywhere. So I hope this helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.